Continuing coverage of our special report tonight on the increase in deaths in Sangamon County. According to provisional data from the Illinois Department of Public Health, so far there's an 11% increase in deaths in our county. Our Devin Trubey looks into why.
While COVID-19 does account for most of those additional deaths in 2020, it doesn't cover all of them. COVID-19 is only the third leading cause of death in our county, now an emerging theory from our healthcare community about the pandemic's greater impact on life and death in Sangamon County. Sangamon County Coroner Jim Allman believes the pandemic is causing some not to seek care due to the fear of exposure and possibly losing their life, but saving others that might not have sought care.
And what it has caused in this pandemic and the elective procedures that were canceled, the doctor's visits that never happened, the counseling sessions that never took place. I think there's got to be, like I said, a ripple effect, and whether COVID directly or indirectly, contributed.
Memorial Health System Chief Medical Director Dr. Raj Gandavaya says this is a serious national and international issue, the idea of excess deaths.
And in 2020, there were more deaths than expected. Some of these have been attributed to COVID, but some of these excess or extra deaths are not because of COVID, at least not directly.
The director says some could be undiagnosed COVID-19 cases or diseases that COVID-19 causes that don't look like the virus. Here's an example.
COVID causes you to have blood clots. So people might have a stroke and they may die from that, and no one realized that really what caused that stroke was COVID.
Another issue during the start of the pandemic, people were too afraid of catching the virus in a hospital to seek care. Memorial saw causes of uncontrolled diabetes and strokes. Both those causes saw an increase in deaths in Sangamon County in 2020, according to IDPH's provisional statistics.
The expected number of deaths in 2020, a lot of those were due to COVID, but some of them were due to delayed care or just not pursuing care when it was needed.
On the flip side, clinics had a consistently high volume of people coming in to get symptoms checked, which may have helped people address medical issues they may not have normally sought care for. According to IDPH's provisional data, the leading causes of death in 2020 for Sangamon County are heart disease, cancer, and then COVID-19. Reporting in studio, I'm Devin Trubey.
All right, thank you, Devin. Those three leading causes of death, they're aligning with national statistics as well.